Hello, it's me again, and I'm doing something a little different this time. I want to introduce you to the web page I've created, and it's all about. I call this the AI Triad. It's all things I hope that have to do with the Transfer Learning Toolkit, the DeepStream, and Jetson. The tutorials and examples about using NVIDIA, Transfer Learning Toolkit, DeepStream, and Jetson devices. And over here, there's evil me pondering, what the existence is. So, and the website is it's at ai-triad.com. Just type that into your web browser, and it'll take you here. And then, what's this all about? The AI Triad. I believe the combination of the NVIDIA Transfer Learning Toolkit, DeepStream, and the Jetson devices are going to open up new frontiers for the application of AI. The goal of this website is to aid others in that journey. So I'll have video tutorials here. Here's my latest one. This is the one I just made this. This is how to prepare the Ego Hands dataset for the NVIDIA pre-trained models Transfer Learning Toolkit 3.0 to create gesture-based interactions with a robot webinar. And there's all the links to it. And then there's some other things that I've thrown in here that I think will be interesting to others. Like here's one, portable power supplies for the Nano. And then I also have info resources. So this is a lot of the information where I got my information and where I learned and the people that helped me. So I just wanted to share that with others. So, if you want to go down the same path, this is where just the start of the information. Like here, there's a link. All these are links. Like here's my YouTube page. A lot of tutorials here, like 50 of them. All kinds of things. My GitHub repo. If you like when I first started out, I didn't have a GPU. So what I did is I used Paperspace, and I did all my work on there, and it worked just fine. And it's really not that expensive. So that's kind of nice. And then, of course, the premier Jetson site, Jetson Hacks. So we got to have that, a link to that. This is all the things in here are awesome. And then Pi Image Search. I like this one because Adrian he's a very good explainer of the things that he does. And then Paul McQuartie, he has a very good episode or series on the Nano. So that's a good one. And then, this is where I get a lot of my information from Udemy, and it's really cheap, and they have a lot of stuff on Python machine learning, and some of the courses are actually pretty good. And what I like about this is you can always use these as reference. I stole code from this, everything, when I really got it going, and it's cheap, so it's actually pretty good. So, and then Fast AI, this is another one I learned. This is free. I like this one because, he teaches you kind of on a need to know to get your job done basic style. So I like that. And then this is Ignition Maker. This is my favorite. One of my favorite things software is because what it is, it's like a free software, and you can build HMI or man-machine interfaces for your Nano or your NX. And I've got a lot of tutorials on my webpage on actually how to install this on your Nano NX. So this is pretty cool. Then they got NVIDIA links. So, we're linked to TLT, and then DeepStream, the dev forum, So we're linked to that. And like I say, this is the location of NVIDIA's Brain Trust repository. Use it. And then the NVIDIA embedded Twitter, that's pretty good. And just to show how awesome it is, let me see if I can find it. One of my tutorials was on here. I don't even recognize my own. Right here. This is one of my tutorials, so that's cool. And then this is another thing, the NVIDIA AI IoT GitHub repo. All kinds of stuff where you can spend all day here, getting stuff to use. and then Jetson Nano. So this is a good, and then from here you can go to the once you're kind of outgrow the Nano, then you move on to the Xavier NX. So, and then I got a blog here, and this is the first time I'm doing all this, so I'm just kind of going to stumble around for a while till I figure this all out. But if you guys got any requests for you want something particular done or shown, just type it in here and I'll see if I can get it done. So that's about it. Hopefully this is going to help people, and like I say, it's a work in progress. So, what can I say? Thank you. Bye.